What's up, guys, and welcome back to another GNC RC video. Today, guys, I got a package from Haiboxing, and I've had this for a while, guys, and I totally forgot about it. We had a lot going on. I had a lot going on in the family, so I'm getting back around to it. Things are kind of leveled out, I guess, a little bit. The last 6 weeks had a whole bunch going on. I hadn't had time to do anything. Plus, this is my busy season with work. But enough of that, guys. This is from Haiboxing, and this was a test car, or electronics, I guess you would say. In this case, they sent over. They wanted me to test out. Shout out to Haiboxing. I appreciate this, guys, and I appreciate your patience. We're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. This is a 118 off-road truck, part number 18859. They sent this so we can test out the ESC that they have now, along with their new radio. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed and let you see what we have. Alright, guys, so as you can see, they sent the battery, USB charger, new ESC. This is the radio, and this is the original one that it came with. This is the upgraded one, and I'll be showing you guys the differences in these two. Of course, the manual, safety notice, and a cool sticker sheet. And we got the truck itself. This is a 1/18 scale truck, no foam in the tires. Let's go ahead and pop that body off. The stickers haven't been put on the body, but we will get those on. Nice, it has a second battery as well. Looks like we have lights on here. We got an off and on switch right here. And I think these are friction shocks, although they feel pretty good for what they are. Brushed motor, of course, and this is the old ESC. So this is one of the main reasons why I was sent this car. They wanted me to test out the new radio system and ESC. Now, as you notice on this particular radio, which is the original one that it came with, you have your control here, a slow and a normal control, and you have a way to reverse your steering. And you have trim right here as well. And that's pretty much it on this particular one. So this is the new one, guys. This one has a foam steering wheel, power button, steering reverse, throttle reverse, steering trim, steering dual rate, and your speed switch. This is going to be a much better option for this truck. Feels a whole lot better than this particular one. This feels like a really cheap radio. This particular one feels a whole lot better. If you notice, a lot of the radios that you have now on some of your ready runs about that size, this is what it looked like. It looks a whole lot better than this particular one. As I mentioned earlier, this is the older ESC receiver combo, and this is the new one. We're going to go ahead and get this particular one taken out, and we're going to go ahead and get this one installed. Now we have it installed. As you can see, the new one has a heat sink, and the button is in a different location versus being here. This is the old one, and that is the new one. Theoretically, this one should run more efficiently because it has the heat sink, so it has the ability to disperse the heat. So the only thing left to do is install a couple of AA batteries. We're gonna turn it on. Check out the lights on the radio. Look pretty good. This is definitely an upgrade compared to what it originally came with. I'll turn the car on. Got lights, got everything working. You can easily dry this with one hand. We got to get these batteries charged. Okay, I got the stickers on. Not the best sticker job, but they're on there. Once this thing gets done charging, tomorrow I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna give it a run and see how well it does.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the trash, forget them. Get the racks, you know I gotta get the M's. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the trash, forget them. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting
We made it back to the table with the HBX18859. This review wasn't on the truck itself, but I did want to go over some things about the truck. It's more so about the ESC and radio upgrade that they have. The truck itself, I just wanted to mention, it's pretty cool. It's always good to have something around the house like this, toss it outside, have some fun, put it back up, and keep going. My pros, the size. I really love the size. The performance for a brush motor, it does perform really well, I have to say. Now the cons, I only found 2 in this case, maybe 3. The shocks, if they were oil filled, they would be a whole lot better. If these were hex, these would be a whole lot better as well. The wheels look really good, no foams. So they kind of dance all over the place when you're driving it. But I will say, for the price that you're going to get this for, you can't complain about any of that. It's really a good price for what you're getting. Now let's get back to the meat and potatoes. This is the old ESC and receiver combo. And I did take a test drive with this particular one, but not on this particular truck. On another truck with this same exact ESC and receiver combo. Let's just say the new one is a whole lot better and is more responsive. It's a whole lot smoother. I couldn't find any cons on it, just pros. And I actually ran the 2 batteries that it came with. I ran them back to back and it never got hot, it never thermal or anything. So I'm impressed with it. The radio, you guys have seen these in countless models, this style at least, not this exact same one. But this is a really nice looking radio. It really does well for what it is. It's a whole lot better than the original one that it came with. You have more adjustability, as I went over earlier, and it feels a whole lot better. The standard radio feels a whole lot cheaper, but this one just feels a whole lot better. And I like that cool lighting. I'm gonna put a link below below in the description to this truck. You guys want to test it out. Now, the ones that I have seen, they don't come with this new system, but they do have a new model that just came out that does come with this new system. Stay on the lookout for that as well. I want to thank HBX for sending me this truck, and I want to thank you guys for checking out the channel. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do it for me. Hit that like button, comment, and share this video. Next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.